Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install battery preconditioning charging for cold weather EVs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your electric vehicle is parked in a space with access to a power source. Check your vehicle's manual for any specific requirements related to battery preconditioning. Start by locating the preconditioning settings in your vehicle's infotainment system or mobile app. Adjust the settings to activate preconditioning when the vehicle is plugged in and the outside temperature is low. Next, determine the ideal preconditioning time. This is usually set to begin a few hours before you plan to drive. Make sure your vehicle remains connected to the charger during this time. If available, enable the option for your vehicle to automatically precondition based on the weather forecast. Some EVs allow you to set a schedule for regular preconditioning on colder days. Now, monitor your battery's state of charge. Ensure it stays at an optimal level while preconditioning. If you're using a smart charging station, check if it has a scheduling feature. You may want to utilize this feature to start charging the vehicle before preconditioning. After setting everything up, save your settings. Make sure all adjustments are confirmed in the vehicle's display. Test the preconditioning by unplugging the vehicle after the preconditioning has completed. After that, start the car to feel the difference in performance. Repeat this process as necessary during cold weather. Regularly check for any software updates that may enhance preconditioning features. Lastly, refer to your local EV community or dealer for additional tips on optimizing battery performance in cold weather. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.